Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1965 Pontiac GTO, fully documented with PHS as a 65 Pontiac 389 4-speed Muncie Tiger Gold, documented with the PHS. Absolutely stunning vehicle here. But before we get too deep into this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on 301, on the corner of Televast and 301, as I mentioned, north of University. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. Not going to show you the entire inventory, but just give a quick glimpse of what we do have. If you have any questions or see something that you might like, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. You can see more pictures of this 65 GTO online or any of the other vehicles we have in inventory. We do have them up on outside so you can see them in the light outside. Obviously we'll take interior pictures, engine bay pictures, trunk and underside as well. You can see all that on the website if I go too fast with the camera. If you're not in Florida and you have an interest, please don't be discouraged, as we shipped to about 19 different US states this year and 9 different countries around the world. So we can certainly get this GTO or any of the other vehicles we have in inventory anywhere you may be in the world. So we can certainly get you your dream car wherever you happen to be. So still give us a call or contact us via our website and we'll get you your dream car going. If you have finance needs or would like to finance a vehicle, we do finance as well. We have several classic car lenders that we do work with and some late model lenders as well. So give us a call. This does have a power top. You see, as I've been going through the Tiger Gold, we do have the glass for the mirror, just have not put that on yet, but that will be addressed. The wood steering wheel, 4-speed, again documented Muncie 389 GTO here. Black interior, Tiger Gold paint. Just an absolutely beautiful car. Gotta get the hood open here. There's one. And two. And you will see this is equipped with tri-power. Does have the Ram Air in it. It was not a Ram Air vehicle, but they do have the Ram Air on it. You do see the 389. It is not matching numbers, but it was born with a 389 GTO. See the power steering, dual brake reservoir, engine bay is in very good condition. Paint is in excellent condition. Go ahead and start this up as well, just to show you it is a cold start. And the headers here. It has been sitting overnight, so it is cold. Go ahead and get it started up here and grab the keys. Sorry, it's on the left-hand side, so just bear with me here. Make sure we're in neutral. Starts right up. Warm up a little bit here. Just about 900 RPM. Again, just a beautiful vehicle. 1965 GTO Convertible, power top, 389, documented. Engine sounds healthy. Power steering, paint's in excellent condition. Let you get back and hear the exhaust. No smoke. Exhaust sounds great. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call on this 1965 Tiger Gold convertible, PHS documented GTO 389. Go ahead and rev it up just a little bit here so you can hear it. Again, certainly a iconic car of the 60s. And this is in the rare color, Tiger Gold. Not completely warm yet, but just the engine sounds extremely healthy. Vehicle runs very well. Put it back in. This has the air shifter, as you see there. The wood wheel, again, black interior, power top. So I know I didn't run the top here, but you will see it in our pictures on the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. It is outside. We do have the top up and down in the pictures. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Tiger Gold, 1965 documented GTO 389 tri-power. Certainly one of the iconic cars of the 60s. Pontiac GTO. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you're interested in further content, please subscribe below. See additional videos for cars that come in or our other inventory. And I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.